But Millie, on his bongs?
You guys have got to loosen up. I mean, the kids just want to have fun. No, girls just want to have fun. The kids are all right. Either way, they love their bongs.
Are we talking about the same thing?
Yeah. You know, the bong and a paddle and ball. You know, bongada, 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 bongada.
No. You're confused.
Yeah, you're way off. Goes fibbida, 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 fibbida.
No, it's not. It's toinky, 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 toinky,
Fibbida,
toinky,
fibbida,
toinky,
fibbida, 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 fibbida.
Okay, knock it off.
Fibbida,
Bongada.
That is a paddle ball. That is a bong, and it's used for smoking pot. And for the record, a paddle ball goes ga-ding, 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 ga-ding.